Good morning, boys and girls. In reading, we have been looking at the characters and the setting, and this week you are going to write your own winter story. This can be a true story about a winter day or a winter activity that you have done before or that you like to do in winter, or it can also be a made-up story if you would like. Okay, so you choose either a fiction or nonfiction story. Remember that fiction means that it is made up and not true, and nonfiction is a real story. So you choose if you're writing a real story or a made-up story. And then this is going to be our story map for our writing, okay? So today, this is the only page that we're going to do. And what I would like for you to do is to draw your main character. Who's going to be the main character in your story? Is it you or is it someone else? So I would like you to draw a picture of what you think they look like, or if it's a real story, you probably know what they look like. And then give them a name at the bottom of their oval. Either it's your name, or maybe it's you in the story, but you want to add a mysterious element, so you're going to change your name. So name your character. Where is your story taking place? Is your story taking place in inside somewhere or outside somewhere? Are you skiing on the snow-covered mountains? Are you building a snowman in your backyard? Are you snuggled up by a fire in a castle? Remember, it can be made up, but your story has to take place somewhere. So in this box, I would like you to jot down a picture of where your story is going to take place, okay? Remember to add detail to your picture. If it's outside, show me something that makes it be outside. I'm not just going to do a stick person and a snowman. I'm going to have the ground that we're standing on. It's going to be a little wavy so that way it looks like snow. Maybe there's a sun in the sky. Maybe there's clouds in the sky. Maybe there's trees around us. Maybe there's a house in the background. So make sure to add those little details to your picture too, okay? And then if you would like, I would like you to, but I won't make you color it if you don't want to. For the problem and the solution, these are going to be squares that I think that you have to write in, which is okay. Most stories have a problem. Something happened. So I'm building a snowman, but the snow isn't rolling into a ball. That would be my problem. I'm building a snowman, but the snowball fell off and it broke. That would be a problem. My car broke. That would be a big problem. I'm trying to think of what else. So problems don't always have to be huge. Like a car breaking down is a big problem, but a snowball falling off a snowman and breaking, it's still a problem, but I would say that it's not as big of a problem as a car breaking. And your story doesn't have to have a big problem. It can have a little problem. Maybe you want to go outside, but you don't want to go outside alone. So your problem is that no one wants to go outside with you. Okay? So first you have to think of a problem. What is the problem going to be in my story? This is what's going to make my story interesting. This is what's going to hook in my reader. I'm going to have a problem, and my reader's going to want to keep reading in order to find out what the solution is. Okay? And then, so this is your problem. Over here, you're going to write what your solution is to your problem. If my car broke down, Mr. Wrenchler came to save the day, and he came to pick me up, and then it was more of a headache. But my car got fixed after after the circus show that it was. My snowball fell off my snowman and it broke. I rolled another one. No one wanted to go outside with me, so I built a snowman friend outside and I played with my snowman. No one wanted to go outside and play with me, so I went outside with Willow and we played together. Your solution has to make sense to your problem, okay? So I wouldn't say if my problem was that my snowball fell off my snowman and broke, my solution wouldn't be, I'm going to color a picture, okay? Maybe your story leads to, after you're done, you go inside and then that's what you're doing. But you coloring a picture isn't a solution for fixing the fact that the snowball fell off your snowman. I hope that makes sense. Okay? So your solution has to be fixing or making your problem be okay, solving your problem. Okay? Something that happens because your problem happened. So today you're going to do this page. There's not a turn-in link for it. I don't want you to turn it. You don't have to turn it in. I do want to see it, but I'm not going to make you turn it in today. What's today? Tuesday. On Thursday, you are going to write your story. Okay, so this is the page that you're going to turn in. You're going to start it on Thursday, and I don't assume that you'll get done on Thursday. So you'll have time on Friday to keep writing too. But you're going to write the beginning, the middle, and the end of your story using your character in your wintry setting. And then you're making sure to incorporate your problem and your solution. And I can't wait to see your guys' writing. But remember, today you're just doing this page, okay? You're doing it one step at a time. Have fun.